Hi, Shahnawaz. It's Mr. Win. I know you needed help, so I'm here to respond to your help. But anyhow, in the last week or so, we've been working on the 1 or 2 point perspective in the Google Classroom. There's a couple of assignments. So if you look in the Google Classroom under Stream, okay, you scroll all the way down. Okay, I posted this assignment here on March 31st. Okay, there's you can have you can choose between 1 or 2 point perspective to do your drawing. Okay, so if you look here, so your first option is to draw a city scene using 2 point perspective. Okay, so your when you draw this perspective drawing, you need to depict a city or a landscape using 2 point perspective. It must include trees, buildings, and people and everything else you would encounter in a city. So be creative with it. Or that the option 2 is to use 1 point perspective. So you have to draw your ideal bedroom in using 1 point perspective, okay, and it has to go to one vanishing point. Okay, and the week prior to this, March 31st, I posted 2 videos for you to watch, okay? And this right here on March 19th is for the 2 point perspective. And on March 1st, let me go back. Okay, so now if you go to this video here, if you click on this video here, this will show you how to do the bedroom using 1 point perspective. Okay, so if you have any questions, and then once you click on the video, you'll find other videos also, and that will help you out. Review those before you start, okay? But when you start your perspective drawing, okay, here's the you have to create a Google slide. Okay, so here's the video on how to do the Google slide. But don't worry about the slide yet. We'll get into that later. But what you need to do is prep your paper before you start your final. Okay, so if you click on this right here, it says prep paper, posted under March 31st as well. Okay, this presentation I made for you will allow you to it'll show you walk you through how to tape the 2 sheets of paper together. So the first thing you need to do is grab 2 blank sheet of paper, get a piece of masking tape or clear tape, is up to you, and then you're going to tape at the top, the middle, and also at the bottom. Okay, so you can have a full sheet. And you're going to flip it over the right side so you don't draw on your tape. Okay, but my recommendation for you is to go ahead and start just practicing on a single sheet of paper before you start your final. Okay, so this is how we're going to be learning for the remainder of the year. So if you can just practice just uploading your projects to the Google Classroom so I can take roll and also give you your points, okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. All right, good luck, Shahnawaz. Email me if you need anything.